Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're going to take a look at Google and images in Google and just a few tips and tricks as well as an extension. One thing, when you're in Google, you're going to notice right over here this search by image. So if you select it, you could always paste an image link or upload a file. So for example, let's go ahead and do that and select this one right here. If you select open, give it a little bit of time. Okay, so you can see this right in here, and you can now find the image source by selecting right here. So really nice to see. Then you can see the search is right over here. Now, let's go ahead back, and let's just say we were going to type in dogs. We're going to select images. And then after images, we're going to select tools. Just a reminder, if you're working with students, that they can't just download any image that they see. So we're going to go into tools. Now, it's also nice to know that you can search by time, the type. This is always kind of fun, to clip art, line drawing, GIFs or GIFs, color and size. Now, usage rights. That's a really important one. We're going to go into Creative Commons. And then, let's just say we want to take a look at this one, this pug. Now, you're going to notice the visit icon here, so you could go ahead and visit the site. You can also notice the Google Lens is here, so if you select that, it's going to scan it, let you know that it's a pug. Now, you can also then go see some images here. One thing I do want to point out that could help you a little bit, possibly, could help your students as well, if you just want to see the image by itself. If you select View Image, if you add the extension, all right, and let's just go ahead and I'm just going to pin it really quickly. I'm now going to refresh again. Just want to point this out, that you just see the visit. But if I go ahead and refresh the page and go into the same picture again, you're now going to see, here's the visit, but also View Image. And when you select it, you're going to go ahead and see the image right here, which again, because it's under Creative Commons, you could save the image if you would like to, or go ahead and use it where you'd like. If you do have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.